So classic warning signs that your system is undersized or not performing properly. So the basic kind of functional metric for a baghouse or dust collection system is the differential pressure. So that's the pressure across your filters. Usually, they're designed to operate between 2 and 5 inches water. That's kind of the pressure range you're looking for. If you go out and you look at your bag house and it pinned at 10 inches, or you maybe it's 6 to 8 inches, what it's telling you is that your filters are blinded or your filter cleaning mechanism is not functioning, and it's like a big warning red light for your system. So answer number one is differential pressure too high. That's a big warning sign. Functionally, when you start to lose suction at your pickup points, when you get your brand new system, everything is, great suction and airflow. It's just pulling the dust right out of there. Everything's good. You come back a couple years later and maybe it's not sucking so much. You're not getting the airflow you need. It's dusty in your shop. That would be sign number two. And usually I would say the two are related. So your suction is lower because maybe your differential pressure is higher. You may have accumulated dust in your ductwork over time, so you should probably have an inspection done to make sure you clean out your ductwork. Or maybe there's some other issue going on where your fan is not pulling as much air as it should be. So that's where we would point you back to our like the standard quarterly or daily, monthly, quarterly, yearly checklist type of items. But if you have nowhere else to start, check the differential pressure on your baghouse.
Great. Awesome. Very thorough answer. Excellent. The next question, are floor sweeps a good idea in woodworking facilities, or can they create problems in the dust collection system?